The excitement continued on day 2 of Chandigarh University's freshman orientation program as students from BCA, MCA, and Computer Science Microsoft programs embarked on their academic journey. The session introduced students and parents to the university's innovation driven curriculum, global opportunities, research culture, and career focused learning.
Good morning everyone, and you're watching CU Roundup, and this is Ishika. Day 2 of freshman orientation 2026 at Chandigarh University has been started, and all the students of BCA, MCA and CS Microsoft have started gathering for the registration process, after which the orientation program will be commenced soon.
As registration picked up pace, the campus buzzed with first day nerves and excitement alike, as students and parents made their way into the orientation pandal to begin the day's proceeding. CU's esteemed leadership familiarized the students with their academic programs by highlighting project-based learning, industry collaborations, globally recognized certifications, internships, life projects, research opportunities, and placement initiatives that prepare students for the ever-evolving technology industry.
Excitement, enthusiasm, and endless possibilities. This is the atmosphere here at Chandigarh University as freshers arrive for the Day 2 of Orientation Program 2026. From meeting faculty and making new friends to exploring campus and learning about the university life marks the beginning of an exciting journey for every new CUI.
Inside the auditorium, students were introduced to everything that makes Chandigarh University stand apart. So let's have a look.
Chandigarh University offers 260 plus industry-oriented courses across 18 streams, including engineering, management, science, law, and more. It boasts 530 global collaborations with top universities in 100 countries, enabling international credit transfers, study abroad, and placements.
I'm feeling very excited about the upcoming classes, events, and everything, meeting people. Everything.
Okay, so are you excited for your new beginning of this life?
Yes, I want to know more about this course, people, and event, campus, everything.
Beyond academics, the session also spotlighted the university's sporting legacy, a source of pride for entire CU family. So let's have a look there.
Chandigarh University has emerged as one of India's leading sporting institutions, producing athletes who have made the nation proud on the biggest stages. From Indian cricketers Arshdeep Singh, Kuldeep Yadav and Vaibhav Arora to Arjuna award-winning Indian Kabaddi star Pawan Kumar Sehrawat and Indian hockey player Sanjay Kumar. The university has consistently contributed to India's sporting success. Its students have also represented the country at the Paralympics and the Olympics. Chandigarh University has become the first private university to win the Khelo India Uni Games title twice and the prestigious Maka Trophy. Chandigarh University continues to strengthen India's sporting ecosystem through world-class infrastructure, sports scholarship, and dedicated support for the athletes.
Adding glamour and excitement to the occasion, renowned digital creator Niharika NM celebrated choreographer and entertainer Raghav Jayal and popular content creator Avesh Darbar graced the event as special guests. Their inspiring journey, motivational interaction, and engaging conversations encouraged students to believe in themselves. As the session drew to a close, students and parents shared their thoughts, reflecting on a day filled with learning, inspiration, and new beginnings. The program also featured numerous interactions, activities, and engagement sessions that created a lively atmosphere throughout the venue. Students enthusiastically participated, connected with their peers, shared experiences, and experienced the vibrant campus culture that Chandigarh University proudly represents.
We are delighted to be here for the orientation program. And my son, he has opted for BTech Mechanical Engineering, and not only he is excited, we are also very excited, and we are looking forward for the all hopes and promises the university is making to us. And so far we are very proud, and I am very honored that we have got our son took admission in this prestigious university.
My name is Kunjan and I am from Himachal, and मैं यहाँ पे बीटेक इन बायोटेक्नोलॉजी मतलब का कोर्स कर रही हूँ. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड एंड नर्वस एट द सेम पॉइंट कि मतलब अभी एक मेरी न्यू जर्नी स्टार्ट हो रही है.
My name is Harshnur Singh. I'm from Hoshiarpur, Punjab. I took admission in Bachelor of Engineering in IIT. I'm feeling very good after taking admission here.
Hi, I am Nahinal Shafin. I am from Bangladesh. मैं यहाँ के मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट में हूँ.
ओके, तो अभी आपको चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में आपने ओरिएंटेशन ज्वाइन करी है, एडमिशन ले लिया है, तो अब आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
ओरिएंटेशन तो मुझे बढ़िया लगा और यहाँ का कैंपस भी बहुत अच्छा है, साफ़ सुथरा है. और जो मुझे अच्छा लगा है यहाँ का जो इन्वायरमेंट है बहुत ही साफ़ सुथरा है और यहाँ का फैकल्टी भी बहुत अच्छी है. मैंने सुना है बड़े भाई और मेरा जो सीनियर से इमीडिएट उसके भी मैंने सुना है यहाँ का सब कुछ टोटली अराउंड सब कुछ अच्छा है यहाँ पे.
So right now the session has came to an end and we were able to connect with the students and parents who were here to attend the orientation. We get to know about their experience, where they get to know about the opportunities, the courses, the campus and the facilities provided by Chandigarh University. The students seemed very excited, hereby looking forward for new opportunities with Chandigarh University in future.